Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. Had a little problem with my lathe, so let me show you what happened and how we're going to fix it. This is my Delta Midi lathe, and I've had it quite a few years. In fact, I don't even think they make this particular model anymore. I was using it the other day, and the spindle quit turning, and I opened up the access door there, and the belt had shredded. Now, this belt, it was still on there, but it had shredded to the point to where it wouldn't turn anything. So I cut it off, and the main reason I cut it off is so I could measure it to get a new one. This belt is reinforced polyurethane. I believe it's the original belt to the lathe. So I went online, and a new belt to match that belt was $93. And there was no way I was going to spend $93 for a small belt. So I looked around and looked around. I went to eBay, and on eBay there was a guy that sold a replacement belt made out of rubber. It's got the same ribs on it that the original had, but it's made out of reinforced rubber, and it was $11. Well, $11 I could handle a whole lot better. So what we're going to do today is take off the parts I have to take off in order to put this belt on. I can get it on the bottom pulley just fine. The problem is on the top pulley. I have to take this handle on the end, and I have to loosen the pulley and then take the spindle out, put the belt in, and put it all back together. So that's what we're going to do today. Of course, these lathes are made in China, so all the Allen screws are metric. Thank you, Harbor Freight. I have a set of metric Allen wrenches. So we'll take the handle off. I think it turns. I think it unscrews. This has a left-handed thread on it. What would a repair job be without dropping something? Okay. All right, that turns freely and there's no end play. So we'll tighten the handle back up. Now, let me put the belt on it. All right, there's the belt on it. Let me make sure that these are, in fact, let me, need to move this over one so that I can get to the, okay, that looks nice and straight. So let me tighten up the other Allen screw. All right, now I have the belt on. Let me plug the lathe in and we'll turn it on and see if it works. Close that. Very good. Runs very nice. But to tell you the truth, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Loosen some Allen screws and take the end handle off, loosen up the pulley, pull the shaft out, put the belt in, put the shaft back in, and tighten everything back down. I think it took me 15 minutes, maybe 20 at the most. I appreciate your watching. I hope you learned something. If you have that problem with your Delta Midi lathe, do not buy the replacement belt. Go on eBay, save yourself about 80 bucks. If you would, please subscribe, follow, give me a thumbs up. You know all the stuff you need to do. And thanks for watching. Bye now.